If you're working on professional layouts, whether it's magazines, brochures, or ebooks, Adobe InDesign is a powerful tool. And in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to download it for free with Adobe's official 14-day trial on your PC, Mac, or laptop. Let's get started. Step 1. Head down to this video's description and click the link. That'll take you directly to the business trial page for Adobe InDesign. Once you're there, click Start Free Trial. You'll be asked to choose between two plans. The monthly plan gives you flexibility. You can cancel anytime without commitment. The annual plan offers a lower monthly rate if you know you'll be using InDesign long-term. Next, log in with your Adobe ID or create a free account. Adobe does ask for a payment method to activate the trial, but you won't be charged as long as you cancel before the 14-day window ends. I suggest setting a reminder so you don't forget. After that, download the Creative Cloud app. Once it's installed, open it, search for InDesign, click Install, and you're good to go. You now have 2 full weeks to explore everything InDesign has to offer, from master pages and typography to advanced layout tools. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more creative tech guides and software tutorials. Thanks for watching. Now go create something amazing with InDesign.